Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from, but those are definitely not relevant anymore to the chart. And, the last time, right around the last time I, did the video talking about, all right, hey, that was a really nice move. And then at that point, the question became, well, is this the start of something bigger, or is that just some sort of dead cat bounce? And we definitely have the answer now. That was just a total dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to say that? Well, I mean, you look at where the price is now and where it closed after today, and the price is literally down lower than even where it was before that bounce started. So not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that are truly strong are not going to go back lower than where they were, right? I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious. So yeah, that previous move was a total dead cat bounce. Am I saying that another nice move can never ever happen? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that as far as the price movement from right here was concerned, there just simply wasn't any sort of true power behind it. So let's get to the current price action updated here. And the current bit of price levels that really matter right now, and if you're watching level 2s, you probably know exactly where I'm headed with this, but is right here at the 30 cent mark here. You can see, I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole boatload of times the bears try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit is due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong, and you definitely want to see that continue to happen going forward. So right there around 30 cents, definitely a very important level of support for the chart. In the event that level cannot hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would essentially be this gap close location, which sits down there right around the 30 cent mark. So I suppose this up here is actually 30.5 cents, and the next level down there right around 30. So if you want, you can just create a support zone, call it there. So for a support zone from 30.5 down to 30. But regardless, that's very, very important, because if this support zone cannot hold, the next level of support not until all the way down around 28 cents. And assuming you're long, yeah, nobody wants to see the price go all the way down there. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's all about this purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see it already acted as resistance right there, and that'll be the key level where if there is any sort of bounce, the true kind of test of the bounce is going to be whether or not the price can not only break above that level, but then also be able to stay up above it after the price breaks above it. So we'll see what happens with it right now. There's no doubt about it. Bulls are definitely trying to chip away and build some sort of bottom right here. Will it stand? Will it hold? We shall see, but still 4 days left this week.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.